How to fix the mobile hotspot not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the hotspot will start working properly. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off hotspot 2 to 3 times. So doing this will refresh the hotspot settings, and after that the hotspot will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after doing this, then the next solution is check your internet connection. So to check that, open a browser and then open website, and then check if the website is loading perfectly or not. So after checking the internet, if it's not working properly, then fix your internet connection, and after that you will be able to use the hotspot. But if your internet connection is working perfectly and you are still facing issue while using hotspot, then the last solution to fix this issue is open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all your mobile settings, the hotspot issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile hotspot not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.